So for 45, we are comparing lines. So let's look at the Bend, Boston, and Brighton one. They have monster trucks. They lined them up to crush some mini cars, and this is how far they went over time. So let's look at these. Who drove the fastest? So here's Boston, here's Brighton, and here's Bend. The way you tell the fastest and slowest, the steeper the line, the faster they went. So Bend went the fastest, and who went the slowest is Boston. Let's look at this graph. Which costs more per pound, flour or sugar? Well, which one is steeper? Sugar. So sugar costs more per pound. So if you missed 45, I want you to try 1 and 2. And I also want you to write down what you think the right answer should have been and why you missed it. For 46, let's go through this Bill problem. Bill works at a car dealership. He earns a base salary of $20,000 plus, so I'm going to put plus 5% of the sales that he makes. So we need to know how to make a percent a decimal. So 5% would be 0.05. To move a percent to a decimal, you move your decimal 2 places left. So that's 0.05. So like if I wanted 3%, I'd move my decimal 2 places over, and that would be 0.03. Of the sales he makes, we're going to make X be the sales he makes. And he wants to earn at least $25,000. So he wants to make greater than or equal to $25,000. So that's like the one on your test. Here's another one that does with inequalities. So a senior class is holding a dance. The decorations is 180. So let's start with 180. They had to buy those decorations. So did they make that money or did they lose it? They lost it. So that means it's either going to be C or D because they're losing 180. I got to subtract it. And it's $4.50 per ticket, so that helps. But they want to make a profit of at least $500. So that means they want to make more than $500. So C is the one that says they want to make more than $500. If you missed 46, write down what you think the correct answer should have been and why you missed it. There are no example problems for this one.